So this is blanket from Walmart, made from Walmart yarn. This is the yarn. Mainstay, it's $7. If you buy online, it always has discount. You can buy $5 per scan. It's thinner than the others yarn. For example, this is yarn is from Hobby Lobby. You see, it's thicker, more fluffy, but this is good to make with the hook and for baby blanket. Not that heavy one, but will be perfect good with the hook. See how look good? The stitches perfect for this. And this is 29 inches. I want to make it bigger, so I trying to add border pink, because here it's pink and white. If I do white border, you cannot tell if it's white border there. So this how I do. I pull the stitch over here and I start working, and I pull stitch again over here. See, 2 stitch together and crochet. It's called single crochet. Like this. Okay, this gonna be the corner. So to make it nice corner, we're gonna repeat again one more stitch in here, 2 on the fingers, and pull through. See, then you got the corner. Pull yarn, 2 together, pull yarn. See, pull yarn through together, and again pull yarn through and together, pull yarn through and together, pull yarn through. I do slow now, okay, and together, and look how pretty. See how pretty, and it's gonna be increased by inches from all sides, and that's what I need. See, pull the yarn through those 2. For that border, I believe you will need another two skein, but it looks great. See, without border and with border. And continue like this. When you got to next corner, you do same 2 times in corner to make that nice even corner. Thank you for watching.